and today we're going to make some chicken spaghetti. So what I have here is 2 pounds of cut up chicken. Got a little spinach to have a little greenery in it. So we got our spaghetti, and we got our Parmesan cheese, our sharp cheddar, our Kobe Monterey Jack, some diced onions, got some minced garlic, some better than bouillon, 2 cans of cream of chicken with herb, some Rotel, diced onions and tomatoes, and the chicken broth, along with some Montreal chicken seasoning and some black pepper.